Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Uh, Today I am going to guide you how you can uh, apply or create auto backup for your Linux or Ubuntu folders and files. If you have an FTP server installed in your premises, then how you can auto backup the files from one server to another server using this Syncthing tool, which is open source. If you guys watched my previous video, you are familiar with this. If you haven't, you can watch the previous one in which I have uh, guided you with the little introduction and the installation of this Syncthing on the Ubuntu OS. So today what we are going to do, we are going to sync two server with each other, or you can say we are going to share two folders, two server with each other. After that we are going to share directory or file from one folder and one server, and it will be auto backup or it will be auto created at another server. So currently I have Syncthing installed on two Ubuntu OS machines, or you can say server. What one with the IP this I am showing you right now is the last digit, and another server with this is IP. These servers are not synced yet with each other. You can see the name here. The second server name with Syncthing 02, and the first server is the Ubuntu one. So how we are going to share these servers with each other, or we are going to share a folder or the whole directory or the whole server. Let's just start with a little example. Currently I have SSH both of these servers with the name Syncthing 01 and Syncthing 02. So see, these are the directories currently which we were. Let's change the directory. Okay, so I am going to share a directory, share folder. If you guys see, here is no share folder in at both of the servers. So I am going to share a folder, or we can share a default one, or we can create a newer one. So I am going to create a newer one. What will be the folder label? This is the label, and this is the ID, and what will be the path for this folder. Path to the folder on the local computer will be created if it is does not exist. The title character can be used as a shortcut for this. Okay, you guys understood. I am going to define a path, and where I am going to create this. This is the parent directory. So let's say this is the path and this is the folder name, and we are going to share. First, before sharing the folder, we have to add the remote device. So I am going to add the remote device, and you can also select one of these nearby devices. Because I have installed both of these servers on the same network. When I am going to add the device, it has automatically detected another device, another server on which the Syncthing server has been installed. So we are going to select this. If you want to verify, you can see the last this part and match with this one, or identification you can find this. If you see, these are the key, starting key, which has been matched with this one. Okay, I am going to name it Syncthing02 and I'm going to save it. The invite has been sent to another server, and the invitation has been pop up here with this IP, which 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 is the Syncthing01 server. So I am going to add this device and name it Syncthing01, and I'm going to save it. So it is the status has been showed here, connected, and here as well. So right now these servers has been connected with each other and sync with each other. So let's just share the drive, or you can say we are going to share with this server, and this will be the default path, and we are going to save this. The folder has been shared among these servers, and the invitation for the share word folder also has been popped up at the Syncthing02 server, right? So we are going to add it, and we are going to add it as the form has been filled already. We are not going to change anything, and we are going to click on this save button. The folder has been shared among these, and it will be created as well. So we are going to change the directories first. You can see here the share folder has been created. Let's see here, the folder has been created as well here. Now we are going to access this folder and check if we have any file in that folder. No, we don't have the file. Change the directory here as well and check. If you guys see, this is the newly created folder, and we haven't any file created or pasted, or we don't have any data resides on these directory or folder. So to instruct or you show you quickly, I am going to use CLI from here. We have used the GUI to sync both of these servers with each other. This was the first step. What is the next step? We have shared the folder, we have shared that folder, and I have named it, and I have created a new folder, and which I have shared, and this is the path. If you guys have read the instructions, this sign indicates the path for this path. Okay, so I am going to create a file, and this is the test file, and it's also a text file, and enter. the file has been created on the Syncthing 01 server, and let's check it has been created and auto backup on another server. If we perform the same step from the backup server, or you can say the second server, and I am going to create a file with test01, and which is also a text file, and I am going to create enter. If you see, the file has been created here, and let's see, it will take a bit time. Yeah, sometime it will take a bit time to uh, uh, come the change up. If you see, both of these servers are synced with each other. We have shared the folder, and what operation what operations we perform on the server 1, it will be auto performed on second server. If we do the same on the second server, that will be redirected or created or deleted on the server 1 as well. I am Let's say now I am going to remove the file from server 1 that has been successfully deleted from the server 1. Let's see if it is deleted from the server 2 as well. Yeah, it also has been deleted from the. Now I am going to do same on the second server. File has been deleted. You can see right now. And if you read the logs here, what was the last scan? It has been scanned currently, and what we have performed the last operation, it is the last change we have performed, and it will be synced here as well. So this is how you can uh, sync your two servers with each other. You can sync the directory in the servers, and which tool you are going to use. We are going to use the Syncthing tool, which is open source, and I have currently done this testing with the Ubuntu OS. I have installed Ubuntu OS on two servers separately. Then I have installed the Syncthing on both servers. And then in this video I have show you all the steps. The first step, we are going to add these remote devices with each other. Then we are going to share whatever the directory or whatever the path you want to sync, you want to back up the data from the primary server to the secondary server, or your priority server to the backup server. And if you want to see installation, you can see my previous video which I have uh, uploaded on my YouTube channel. Until then, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.